Hello students, welcome to financial accounting class. In the previous class, we were dealing with the different accounts being prepared by the consignor, under cost price method. So these were the different books that he's supposed to maintain under cost price method. The first one is consignment account, second is the goods sent on consignment account, third is consignees account, and fourth is the consignment stock account. So in the previous class we have studied these two books, that is consignment account and goods sent on consignment. So this is how you prepare the consignment stock account, and the next one is goods sent on consignment. This has already been taught in the previous tutorial. Third one is the consignees account. Now this is basically a personal account of each consignee being prepared by the consignor, wherein he gets to know what is the amount of balance to be paid by the consignee to the consignor. Okay, this is the account which has been prepared by the consignor of each consignee, so that he gets to know what is the amount of balance that the consignee has to pay to the consignor. So in this, what do you how do you prepare this? I mean, what do you include in this consignee's account? To the debit side, do write here debit as well as credit. To the debit side, you have two consignment account. In this, that is nothing but gross sales proceeds made by consignee either on cash or credit. Okay, next to the credit side you have by cash bank or bills receivable account. Next, by consignment account, expenses on consignee. This is why expenses on consignee, because this is the account being prepared by the consignor. So any expenses being made by the consignee on consignment, that has to be deducted. Next, by consignment account, commission of consignee. After deducting all the expenses, okay, from the profits being made, from the sales that he makes, the consignee will deduct all the expenses, his profit, that is the expenses on consignment, then his commission, okay, all this he will deduct, and then the balance will be paid to the consignor, that is by cash or bank. Okay, so to know what is the amount of balance that the consignee has to pay to the consignor, to know this, the consignor will prepare the consignee's account. Okay. Next, the fourth one, that is consignment stock account. Now this account tells you regarding what is the amount of goods held in the hands of consignee at the end of the year. What is the balance of consignment stock, okay, that is remaining with the consignee. Now the consignor sends the good to the consignee to sell. Okay, so when the consignee sells the goods, he should tell what is the amount of balance of stock remaining with him. Okay, if he has completely sold the stock, then that is fine, but if there is any balance of stock, then that has to be told to the consignor. So this is why the consignor prepares to know how much is the balance of consignment stock. So here, to the debit side, you have two consignment account, closing stock. Next, to the credit side, by balance carried down. This is the balancing figure. Okay, consignment stock, you total it out, okay, and then by balance carried down, which is brought down to the next year. Okay, next, now these are the necessary accounts that is to be prepared by the consignee. Okay, so here basically this is nothing but the necessary accounts to be prepared by the consignee. Okay, like the way we have seen the accounts which are to be prepared by the consignor. Now here we need to check in what are the accounts to be prepared by the consignee. Now in this, in case of consignee, that is the agent, apart from keeping various records like stock of goods, okay, or how much is the sales proceeding, what is the amount of commission that he has to receive, okay, how much is the debt, how much is the number of debtors, what are the expenses that he has incurred. Apart from all this, he also has to check out what is the balance of money that he has to pay to the consigner. So what he will do is he will prepare consigner's account, that is the personal, this is nothing but the personal account of the consigner, each consigner that the consignee prepares. Now in this he after preparing this account, he gets to know what is the balance of amount that he has to pay, that is the consignee has to pay to the consigner. What is the balance, like the way we have seen consignee's account in case of consigners. Okay, now let me just take you back to the previous one. See, now here this is consignee's account. Okay, this is the third step in terms of look here, the following books to be maintained by the consigner. So when the consigner is maintaining the books, okay, what he will do is he will open consignee's account. Similarly, when the consignee, that is the agent, is recording the books, then he will only prepare one account, that is the consigner's account. Okay, see here, he will prepare consigner's account. And in this, how does he make this consigner's account? To the debit side of the consigner's account, he will have cash or bank account, cash, bank or bills payable account, that is advance by the consignee, advance taken by the consignee. Next, to cash account, that is expenses incurred by the consignee. To commission account, commission of consignee. Then by balance, by cash or by bank, or that is the bank account, this is nothing but the gross sales proceed by the gross sales proceeds for cash only. Next, by debtors account, in this credit sales. Okay, so this is basically he gets to know, here he gets to know, that is the consignee gets to know what is the final amount, that is the final remittance that he has to give it to the consignee, that is in terms of cash or bank, the final remittance, that is he has to give this amount to the consignee, return this amount to the to the consigner. Okay, so this is how the consignee prepares accounts. He will only prepare one account, that is consigner's account. Now there are various entries, that is journal entries in the books of consigner as well as journal entries in the books of consignee, which we will check it in the next class. Thank you.